Hey guys, welcome to the introduction of Get Groovy. My name is Keelan Arnold, but just call me Q, and I am a third-year graduate student in the Department of Dance at The Ohio State University. It is my distinct pleasure to welcome you guys to the Get Groovy course, and I thank you for joining me on this exciting journey of dance. This next clip that you're about to see is about my thought process and why I'm providing this course for you guys. I hope that it is an enriching one and one of value that you can use now and for years to come. So here we go. Get groovy, y'all.
Hey y'all, what's going on? This is Q. I've actually got a couple of questions regarding the title. People asking why Get Groovy. So I thought it was a cool idea to just create a video describing the title, but also allowing you guys to gain some insight into the course in general. So it actually started with my parents. They were the first person that asked this question, why Get Groovy? Because they were seeing it as a title that resembled a class that's bringing back 70s dance moves. And even though that would be cool, kind of, I'm not doing that. But it did get me thinking about the culture back then and how I am trying to grab from that culture and bring it to this day and age. The thing is, back then, a lot of people were dancing all the time for most of the week actually. Wednesday night, Saturday night, people were going out, killing it on the dance floor, vibing out to their favorite music with the people around them. With technology and an emphasis on kind of independence and isolation a little bit, we've kind of digressed from that culture. But I'm really hoping to bring that back because through my teaching, I've seen a lot of students have that desire to connect with music and connect with other people through movement and through dance. I decided to do my part a little bit through creating this class to try to bring grooviness back into our own culture. Whether it's at home or in the club, I want to encourage people to have a comfortable and confident mindset so they can express themselves without any kind of shame. And to me, that's kind of the definition of groovy, or the definition of cool. So if you have any questions, please email me at qforchrist@gmail.com, or you can just check out the trailer on YouTube, screen name Q for Christ. Follow me on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram, all that jazz too. And I will catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.